In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Facebook to supercharge your marketing efforts. Let's dive right in. First, what you'll need to do is log into your Mailchimp account. You'll find yourself on the dashboard, which may already feel familiar. Now, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left and locate the option labeled Integrations. This is where you'll begin the connection process. Once you click on Integrations, you'll see a variety of options for connecting Mailchimp with other platforms. What you want to do now is find and select Facebook from this list. It's a powerful tool to blend your email marketing efforts with social media campaigns, offering greater reach and more robust data insights. Next, you'll see a button that says Connect. Go ahead and click that. Doing so will prompt you to log into your Facebook account. Don't worry, this is all part of the process. Enter your Facebook credentials to grant Mailchimp the necessary permissions. You're authorizing Mailchimp to access your Facebook page, which is key for pulling in data and managing ads. After successfully logging into Facebook, you will need to choose the specific Facebook page and ad account you want to use. If you manage multiple pages, make sure you select the one aligned with your current marketing strategy. This selection will guide Mailchimp on where to sync data and serve your ads, a crucial step in targeting the right audience. Now that Facebook is officially connected, the next step is setting up audience syncing. This feature is incredibly useful as it allows you to create custom audiences in Facebook using the rich data you've collected in Mailchimp. This could be your existing customers, newsletter subscribers, or a targeted segment you've already identified in Mailchimp. Syncing these audiences will provide a seamless flow of information, automatically updating your Facebook ads to reflect any changes. With your audiences synced, it's time to create some Facebook ads using your Mailchimp data. Navigate through the simple setup wizard in Mailchimp to craft campaigns that resonate with your target audience. You'll have the opportunity to harness Mailchimp's data insights to design ads tailored specifically to the individuals you most want to reach. Remember, the key to impactful advertising is not just in the visuals or copy, but in precision targeting. Once all your settings are in place, be sure to save everything. It's vital that you check your configurations to ensure everything is set up as intended. With that done, you can start running your campaigns and switch your focus to monitoring their performance. Mailchimp provides insights on how your ads are doing, allowing you to tweak and optimize for better results over time. And there you have it, a straightforward way to integrate Mailchimp with Facebook, opening up new avenues for targeted marketing and communication. By following these steps, you're set to expand your reach and refine your strategies across platforms. Thanks for watching and happy marketing.